I microwaved Barbies for 2, 5, and 10 minutes to see what kind of shocking things might happen, starting with the 2-minute results. I then threw 2 Barbies in for 5 minutes.
It's like we're creating that atomic bomb.
Yeah, after watching Oppenheimer, we got creative. We got a minute left. Bro, I love how he's making his on fire. His is getting put back together, and he just has a leg. Someone want to kick it open? Oh, rip the microwave.
Dude, her head's gone. Had the leg.
Oh,
Don't put it.
what?
Okay, start her up.
Put it on. Put all of them in and put it on.
And then we run.
I turned the microwave on for 10 minutes with 2 interracial couples inside.
Diversify.
I'll put my lighter in.
Dean, you might want to turn your car around so we can get out of here quickly after we do it.
What?
It's done. Oh, fuck no, bro.
It burned. Is that the white Barbie or the black Barbie?